YouTube. This is Mooseworks and I'm Moose, and today I'm making a luggage rack that goes in the hitch receiver of the new family car right there. It is going to be bad to the bone. So let's go. So I broke down and I got this Evolution cold cut saw. Now the one I got is the S355 CPSL, which is the 14-inch metal cutting chop saw with stamped steel base. Oh, nice! Now I bought this off Amazon for about $379. Evolution did not send this to me. They did not pay me. I'm not endorsed in any way. After tacking, I decided to check the fitment on the back of my car. Now everything looked great and I was rolling on the project up to this point. However, after letting the rack sit overnight, most of the welds had cracked. After doing a little bit of research, I figured out that bed frames are typically made out of a high carbon content steel, which is going to lead to cold cracking and make welding difficult. And since this is going to be used on a public road, I really don't want something like this to happen. So I went back to the drawing board and I decided to use 3-inch angle iron that I had on hand. It's about 1/4 inch thick and it's going to be more than enough for this project. I painted the luggage rack a sparkly gray. What do you think? This metallic silver makes your part look really good, but it makes a mess in your shop. Look at this.